Hello guys, welcome to the second video in Kotlin programming tutorial series. In this video we are going to create our first hello world program in Kotlin. We are going to compile and run the program through command prompt. So first here I am going to create a new folder in my E drive. I name the folder as Kotlin programs. We can save the Kotlin program in this folder. You can use any text editor for writing Kotlin programs. Here I am going to use Notepad for typing Kotlin program. So here I am going to create the main function in Kotlin. The function contains one parameter. It's an array of string. Now here the opening bracket, closing bracket. Now here I am going to call some inbuilt function in Kotlin. Println. Println is an inbuilt function or library function in Kotlin for print a new line. So in Kotlin, semicolons are optional. There is no need to separate statements using semicolon. So this is the first program in Kotlin. So now I am going to save the program. Save as. I'm going to save it in E drive, Kotlin programs. Specify the file name. So .kt is the file extension for Kotlin programs. You have to save all your Kotlin programs by using the file extension .kt. Now save the file. Now we can compile and run the program through command prompt. So open command prompt. The program is available in E drive. So I have to move to E drive. We create a folder called Kotlin programs. Okay. So now I am going to compile the first program in Kotlin. So Kotlin C, this is the command for compile a program in Kotlin. Kotlin C hello.kt. Include runtime hello.jar. Now compile the program. So here the program compiled successfully. Suppose if there is some mistake in the program, here I make some spelling mistake for array. Now save the file. Now compile it again. So in that case the compiler will show some error. Now save it again. Now compile the program again. Now it compiled successfully. So if the program compilation is success, it will create a jar file in the same folder. We can check our program files. So after the successful compilation of the program, it will create a jar file inside the same folder. Now we can run the jar file using Java virtual machine. For that, you have to type the command java jar. Now specify the jar file name hello.jar. So this is the output of the program. Now look at the program. It is almost same as main function in Java, but here there is no return type specified. So the return type of the main function is void. So if the return type is void, it will be specified as unit in Kotlin. But specify unit is optional. But if you need, you can specify the return type as unit. So unit means the return type of the function is void. So now I save the file. Now compile the program again. Now run it again. So this is our first hello world program in Kotlin.